day of travelling today from Rothenburg to Lake Como, 278 miles. So I had to stop off on our journey to Lake Como so Richard could do some trading. What are you trading?
The US VPI, big 80 markets on there today.
Back on the road in 5.
Worst places to trade, I suppose.
I know, yeah, look at this view. Look at that. And it's sunny for a change. The rain has gone. Okay then. So here comes to get fuel in his little tractor. How cute's that? Appreciating the scenic view. Alright, mate. I'm not laughing. Really pretty.
Oh, we should have got a hotel here. Right.
He goes exploring again. So we've stopped off in Switzerland just to have a little look at this scenic area. So pretty. You can feel that cold chill, Richard. Anxiety, yeah. Richard's fully concentrating. Getting colder as well. Colder as we go up.
Fresh spring water. You can bottle that. It's fresh water.
Oh yeah. And we're now in Italy.
Ciabella, Parmesan.
Ciao. We are now across the border.
Descending.
And hopefully it's going to get a bit warmer because it is now how
11.5
11.5 degrees.
It was
Chilly.
25.
Chilly willy.
Chilly me gillies. Chilly me nillies.
Still on the hair raising road though. But I think we're going to start going down again now, so. For a wee, and this is giving, what's that film called where they're stuck in that club and they put the shutters down and there's vampires? giving that. Still absolutely freezing. On. Where's he gone? There he is! There he is! It's freezing. I've got to stay out of the car because he wants to get the angles in, get pictures. Getting the angles. Getting the angles in. Oh, come on, you must have done it now. It's freezing. There he is.
There he is.
It's a bit chilly, isn't it, up here?
It is a bit.
Toasty.
Oh, that's better.
Are we
What
good?
a beautiful place.
Good to go.
Good. You stop putting my heated seat on. Makes me want.
So we stopped off in a little town in Italy. Not quite sure what it's called.
Nice though.
Do you know what it's called, Richard? Tell us a bit about this place and the nature around
You're
it.
joining us in real time on the other side of the Swiss Alps. We're on the Italian side. It's minus 11 degrees. And as you can see by looking around, it's quite barren. I imagine there's not much life going on here, which wouldn't be of any use to us. I don't think anyone wants to learn to trade over here. But once you move forward, you can see how beautiful the water is, how fresh that must taste.
Why don't you go down there and have a swim?
Down there.
You wanted to dip your toe.
That was back up there. I wouldn't get
I
it.
reckon you'd get down there. Look, it's not that steep.
Oh no.
Oh God, it's so cold.
Yeah,
So cold.
is it so cold?
So cold. That was the little town. We've reached Lake Como. Unpacked. The lady's gone off with all our bags. And we've got a 1 minute walk to it, Rich. 1 minute walk.
So, hotel number, I think it's 4. We are in, I should say, on Lake Como. Bathroom's not too bad. Okay, coming through. As you can see, we have a lot of luggage.
Yeah, nice.
Because of this one, which is all right. Nice little kitchen. We've got quite an interesting view, as you can see. There's the swimming pool. The man down there, he's been picking mushrooms and he's just peeling them. Yeah, so this is one room, and I'll take you upstairs. I think we've seen the better part of this particular hotel this evening. Not sure what Helen's going to do for a pillow, but feels more like a sauna than a bedroom. I mean, I'm not a big bloke, but you know, I need to duck up here. I think we'll find another one for tomorrow. Tuck shop as I duck myself to
So we've come back to the hotel. We've got a little tuck shop. This is what we had to choose from. Richard wanted chocolate, but we've got an array of cakes, biscuits. So do you want to tell us what you went for in the end?
So I decided based on the choices available to me. It's not fucking much. 2
They
Nutella.
can't see what that is.
It's Nutella. And they also have a small selection of shit biscuits.
What else? Why have you got Coke?
Do you have Coke?
I don't want
Fucking
Coke.
mosquitoes got me again.